My name is Cynthia Mason. I'm a Canadian lawyer and trademark agent. And through my firm's online trademarking platform, Markably, I help a lot of Amazon sellers file trademark applications to get on the Amazon brand registry in Canada. And I wanted to create this video so that I could share some advice with you on mistakes that I see a lot of Amazon sellers make with respect to the trademark process. Mistake number one is filing a trademark application for their logo. Now, you absolutely should trademark your logo, but more importantly, and first, you should file a trademark application for your name in no specific format. This is because a word mark or a name trademark registration is broader than a logo mark registration. It's broader in the sense that it gives you the exclusive right to use that name in any format, not just in your specific logo format. And how this is going to help you on the Amazon brand registry is that it's going to give Amazon the broad ranging scope of rights to stop other people from using your name in a different format. So this is going to stop counterfeiters who would just basically copy your product, its appearance and the name and your logo altogether, but also help you to protect yourself from people who would just use your distinctive name on their own looking products. So for certain, you want to trademark both your name and your logo, but take the steps first to trademark your name because it's going to give you broader rights under the law as well as on the Amazon brand registry. Mistake number two is not having a connection between the Amazon seller and the trademark owner. So this is actually super simple to fix if you happen to file your trademark application in the wrong name. But the Amazon seller and the trademark owner should be the same. If you have a corporation, it should be listed as the Amazon seller, but it should also be the owner of the trademark. If you don't yet have a corporation, and a lot of new business owners and new product sellers, they wait to incorporate because incorporation is it's a bunch of steps that really have wide-ranging implications in terms of tax obligations and liability. And so it's not the first step that you tend to do in your new business. And so if you don't have a corporation, then you personally should be named as the trademark applicant as well as the Amazon seller. And when you ultimately do create a corporation for your business, you can always assign your trademark application over to that corporation because ultimately your trademarks, your names, your logos are business assets and they should be owned by the business entity. So, number three, and this is the biggest mistake that we frequently see on trademark applications filed by Amazon sellers, is they file for the trademark covering the products that they're selling now. So the wording on the Amazon brand registry is that your trademark needs to cover, or your trademark needs to be on the products that you are selling. So that's a specific requirement under trademark law. When you have a trademark and you are using it in connection with the sale of products, it has to be physically be on the products or their packaging. So in your trademark application, obviously you want to claim the products that you are currently selling. But here's where you also need to stop and think about, what am I going to sell in the future? Because the Canadian trademark process is actually very long. It's taking a minimum of 2.5 years from filing a trademark application to get a trademark registration. A lot can happen in 2.5 years, and hopefully your business will grow exponentially over the course of that time. And so you want the trademark registration that issues in 2.5 years if you're lucky, a lot longer if you're not. You want that trademark registration to actually cover all of the products that you're selling so that your listing on the Amazon brand registry is complete. If you start selling products after you file your trademark application, you can't add them into your trademark application, unfortunately. The the application, the scope of the application that you file with the Canadian Trademarks Office, you're stuck with that. You can't add products to the list of goods. You can only delete or narrow them down by limitation. And so if you don't cover off everything in your original trademark application, you start selling them later, they won't be covered under the trademark registration that's listed with the Amazon brand registry. You'll actually have to file another trademark application and start the process all over again to cover these additional goods. So think ahead. When you're filing your trademark application, think ahead to what you could be selling 2.5, 3.5, 5, 6 years down the road, and make sure that you're putting them in your trademark application with the original filing. That's actually one of the benefits of working with a trademark agent when it comes to filing trademark applications, is we prompt you to think about the products that are a natural extension of what you're already selling. And we prompt you to put them into your trademark application, and we'll do the search for you to make sure that you are actually able to trademark your name or your logo for these other products as well. So if you would like some help with filing a trademark application to get on the Amazon brand registry, reach out to us at markably.ca.